Good evening, friends, fellow traders, my subscribers, my students. I greet you all. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, analyzing the market from the land of the rising sun. Today is Saturday, 12th July 2025. The time is 9:33 p.m. I want to bring you analysis as I do every week, be it forex, commodity, indices, cryptos, stock, whatever that is tradable that you can view on chart. Elliott Wave remains the best tool or strategy to analyze. So I'm covering so many pages. If this is first time you're watching my video, I'll be glad if you will share it with your friends, if you will like and comment. At the bottom of this video, you will also see links that lead to my channels. My Telegram channel, two of them, they are free. WhatsApp channel, my phone number is there. The phone number is on WhatsApp. It's also on Telegram. That's for those who want to join my mentorship. Yes, I run mentorship program. I I teach what I want to see me analyze. I'll teach you. If you like to trade with Elliott Wave, advanced method of it, you join my mentorship program. It's very, very affordable, and I only charge you once. I don't charge you monthly or even yearly. I don't rush you to learn everything in 6 months or 3 months, or I allow I allow you to learn at your pace because I know that some people have time to learn every day, some don't have. Some can learn quickly, some don't. So once you pay, you are there until you are okay with the knowledge. So let's dive into the business. This one is always what we analyze first, and from here we have been selling and selling and selling and selling and selling and selling. We sold this, sold this, sold this, stopped here. I didn't sell this one, but I will sell it again. So that's why the selling not yet finished. I expect it to drop into this reversal zone, though not a must that it must drop into that zone, but that's what I expect. Not a must that it will do that. It may end at this lower channel. It will end here. So for now, I don't know. I follow the market as it develops. So let's see 4 hours. 4 hours. This is uh this is corrective in nature. So once the correction finishes, the market begin to drop. So let's see daily. Daily, you can see based on daily, the market have entered the reversal zone. Okay, we have two zones to expect the reversal. One is I've entered here. So two, it will go a little higher. You know, all this zone, all this place is the reversal zone. So it can, I'm looking for setup inside this zone. Whether whether it will begin to sell from here, I will sell. Once I get set up, I will sell. If it goes up again from here, I'll be looking for setup. So if you are buying it, I will advise you to either you close the buy or you move your stop loss to break even to avoid making loss, okay, or losses. USD card, the same situation. I'm looking for setup. It has been going up, it has been going down, but the selling not yet concluded. So I'm expecting it to drop once more. Now, looking at 4 hours, there's a possibility that we may get a much selling. For instance, we can get something like this. We can get something like this as a B correction. Let me show you. In case if it happens, so it won't take you unaware. You may get a B correction like this. In this case, the market will Okenequa. So you can see the market keep going up, keep going up, keep going up, keep going up before selling. Though I don't expect it, but it can happen. It can happen. So if it does happen, don't be surprised. Okay, such move can happen. That's one of the possibilities. But I think uh, it may not break this high before selling again. The selling is not yet over. That's what I'm trying to let you know. So as you watch it, once sell setup is confirmed, the selling will continue. USD the same situation. I'm looking for sell opportunity to sell USD. If you look at it, it's trying to give us WXY. So once I expect it to go up higher, either within this channel or inside the reversal zone. So from here, selling is what I expect. Euro USD, I, I'm 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 looking for buy. Okay, I'm looking for one more move up, one more move up on one more move up on Euro USD. So let me show you daily. Let me show you daily. I think it will be okay to show you daily. Daily, we have been going up for a long time. The market is almost at the reversal zone, but not have it haven't reversed. Okay, the reversal zone we have here is 2. Here is one of the reversal zones we have. Another one is up here. So which one? Where will this reverse? I don't know. But once I see sell setup, I will know. That's what matters. And we have gone a long way. You see, from this place, we have been buying it. So now we are at the concluding point on Euro USD. But buying is sure. We're going to buy once more. Now the question is, this correction, has this finished or will it drop once again? I think we're going to see the market drop again. But if it doesn't drop again, then watch out for this break of this zone, 1.174 or 1.175, then buying will continue. But if it drops once more, that's my target. I'll be glad to see it drop once more. Okay, once this happens, I'll be very happy because the more it drops, the more it will bring more profit. Okay, so let's continue. Pounds USD, the same thing. Pounds USD last week, I said we're gonna be careful because pounds USD will likely drop to this reversal zone. It's our drop to this reversal zone. What next? Has the dropping finished? I don't know. I cannot tell. Maybe it will likely come to this zone. It will likely come to this place, drop a little further before the buying. Okay, so let's watch what happens Monday and Tuesday. Okay, but if you have been selling it, I will advise you to close your sell or move your stop loss to break even. You may get a sudden sharp move. Okay, it can happen. It can happen. So just protect your profit. Remember, if you are trading, you must have some certain things in mind. Okay, it's either you win big, you win small, you lose small, but losing big is not an option. If you are losing big, it means you don't have a good strategy or you don't have the knowledge. Okay, so that's what I'm telling you. So now, LUSD is buying. There's no doubt about that. Now, the question is, if you have been on sideline, how will you join? Okay. So remember, you always join when the price is good to join. If it drops somewhere here, it's time to join. Because looking at this, I can say this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. So maybe A, B, C, wave 4, wave 5. Okay, so it's good to join when the market is correcting. Using the USD, we are also looking for it to either drop to this zone before buying or even deeper to this zone. So these two zones is what we expect it to drop. Okay. But the trend is long, is buying. The trend is long, is buying. So let's watch out for this price, either this place or this place. Anyone, let's keep watching. TB225 expected to drop to this zone before buying. Okay. The trend is up. At least one more move up, then we can look for selling. JPY. Let me show you daily. It is now towards the end of the reversal zone. Okay, it may even come to this another reversal zone here again. Okay, remember we are expecting it to drop something like this. It's what we wanna see. Okay, so let's keep watching whether it will happen or it will give a correction and continue going up. So waiting for this to happen, we expect it to go up once more. This side is broken already, so a little move higher before we see it going down. A little move higher, then this will begin to happen. Something like this. Either it will give us, either if it will still go up higher, or it will give us a move down. I mean, in regard to what I show you on daily, so that's what I'm trying to say. But we know market doesn't move in a straight line. It will keep going sideways until it gets to where it is going. USJPY, we are expected to sell. So the buying not yet over. Let's check daily chart. Okay, daily chart. We may get something like this on daily chart. A, B, C. Oh. Okay, that's some little move up before this move down. Sharp move down is coming. When is this coming? I can't tell you now. The market will decide, but I know it is coming. The chart is telling me it is coming. So that's why you need to know Elliott Wave. Because once you know it, you always know where the market is going. And 80% of the time or more, you will be correct. Nobody is correct all the time because it is called forecast. Okay, so it's good to have the knowledge that will enable you to know what to expect at every point in time. Pound JPY. Pound JPY, let's check daily again. Okay, daily chart, you can see we are within the reversal zone. Very soon we can enter the reversal zone. You see our reversal zone is towards 200, no, 200 200.6. This is our reversal zone between 200.6 to 204.6 is our reversal zone. So once the market enters here, we begin to look for sell. Right now, look at 1 hour. I will buy. Once the market drops to this zone, I will buy. I will buy because we may get to 205. Even we make it, even we may even get to 205. So for now, if I see this drop, I will definitely buy. Okay. So this drop, I will buy pound JPY. Let's see gold. Gold is buying, no doubt about that. Okay. Gold, I didn't sell gold. I didn't buy gold last week because I was waiting for it to drop to my reversal zone. It didn't drop. Sometimes it happens. It's part of trading. I say it all the time. You better lose the trade than to sorry. You better miss the trade than to lose the trade. Okay. If you don't like missing trade, you be making mistakes because you will begin to presume that what happened before will happen again. Then you enter. Then you see it's going against you. So I was expected to drop into this zone. Then from here I look for buy setup, but it didn't drop. I kept going. And I didn't follow. I didn't buy. I will buy again if I see the market drop to this place. Then it will be an opportunity for me to buy. Market doesn't finish, it's going nowhere. As long as we have internet, we continue trading. So if you miss a trade today, tomorrow is another day. Don't blame yourself that you missed the trade. So silver is a wonder to behold. Remember last 2 weeks I said uh, that buying, I prefer buying silver, selling, I prefer selling gold. Because I have seen that silver have more strength to buy than gold. So when they are correcting, silver will be slower, gold will be more aggressive. So when they are buying, silver will be more aggressive, gold will be more sluggish. So silver is still buying. Any good correction it will be an opportunity to buy again. Okay, so I don't know when it's beginning to correct, but I know that from here to here, from here, from here to here, we get another a two drop, a move up, then we expect it to give us a big drop. From here now, we will know when to buy again. So buying from here is not advisable because the market will definitely drop, buy once more, drop, buy once more, then drop again. This is the best drop to take, not even this, because this you are not sure of what is happening unless you are an expert. I can sell this. But if you don't have experience, you might be able to sell it. But this can be easy to sell. When this happens, this will be easy to sell. After that, the buying will continue. Platinum. Platinum made a nice pattern and begin to buy. So what next on platinum? A selling is coming. The selling will be correction. It will drop, then buy again. Maybe go a little higher, then drop, then buy again. It's buying, no doubt. USOIL. Oh yeah, I want to see it. For 3 weeks now, or even more, oil doesn't want to move. And I say that I will not sell oil, and I see the reason to sell oil. I want to see a big correction. So that big correction is gradually happening. So when oil got to 70, 71, I begin to look for sell. For now, I don't want to sell. US 100, Nasdaq. Okay, no problem. Nasdaq, I want to see it correct. Not just correct. I want to see a meaningful correction before I begin to look for buy. SP 500, the same thing. I want to see a meaningful correction before we talk about buying. For now, no trade on them. US 30, this one, I can buy this one. If you drop to this zone, maybe to do this, sorry, maybe to do this, drop again. I will buy from here to make a new high. Okay, so that's for US 30. Okay, I think it's time to go to Bitcoin. Then I'll call it a night. Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin this time is a world to behold. Remember, I'll be telling you that Bitcoin, that my next target of Bitcoin, I kept saying it every week. Even when this thing is happening, I said after this drop, Bitcoin is going to 114 to 120,000. That's what I have been saying. If you're watching my video, you will hear me say it time without number. That the next target is between 114 to 120. So now, it's no longer news. It's no longer somebody said that I lucky that I'm doing lucky gazing, and I was laughing. I said, bro, try and lucky gaze like me now. Gaze, let's know how you will gaze. So it's not gazing, it's just knowledge. When you have the right knowledge from what is happening in the market, you will know what will happen next. And 80% of the time or more, you will be correct. I don't say you'll be correct all the time, but more of the time you'll be correct because you have gotten the knowledge. So if you want to learn what I'm doing, join my mentorship program. It doesn't cost much. So now Bitcoin has gone to the place I said we expect it to correct. So now we touched 118,878. So just a little thing to 120K. So let's continue to wait. Because what I can see on Bitcoin is that Bitcoin will likely do something like this. Let me use something permanent. Bitcoin will likely do something like this, something like this, something like this, something like this. Then we go up to 120. From 120, give us correction again. So from 120, give us this type of correction. Buy again, maybe to 130. After the 130, we can now see a big correction. For now, Bitcoin is not prepared for deep correction. That's what I can see on the chart. Bitcoin not yet prepared for deep correction. When I say deep correction, this is what I mean. For those who don't understand the terminology, let me show you daily chart and tell you what I mean by deep correction. Come mechie this video. Jihara network issue. Ta. So as I was saying, this is what we call deep correction. You know, when market moves from when this happened, this is correction, but not deep correction. You see this normal correction. It's not deep correction. You see this normal correction, not a deep one. But you see this is deep correction. If you see this, it takes time and it also went deeper. So what I was saying is that we get some corrections like this from here. This is daily time frame. Okay, but whatever I show you, you may see something similar to this or to this. After that, it will go up just the way this go up. It will go up again. After going up again, then we may see something like this. Now, this kind of correction that will go deep. I mean, that can maybe it may go to 130,000. From there, we may see 80 or 70. So that's what I'm trying to say. But for now, we are still going up. No panic, no fear. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Ask questions, click the like button, share it with your friends. Those who are struggling to find their feet in trading, share it with them. It takes nothing from you to click share and to like. Don't take anything from you. Do it for me. That's the much you can do for me. I do this. You don't pay me, but I know you are getting value. Why not just like and share? Thank you. God bless you.